Môre almal. Vandag vir jou regtig 'n baie interessante video oor wat God gesê het hoe die vyand beplan hoe hy predikers gaan vernietig. Maar ek wil hê jy moet kom ons kyk eers gou-gou na hierdie video en dan praat ons verder.
You know, you are seeing, they are hearing me, right?
Of the past would recur.
Yes, to the right, you're going to see the fake.
How it's built.
This is a deepfake example
Now, that's the
of what is
fake Bill Gates.
possible with powerful computer
Talking
and
now.
editing. It took around 72 hours
That's
to
not
create
Bill
this
Gates.
example from scratch.
They
using
just
an
copied
extremely
this one
powerful
and put
GPU.
it there.
It could improve with more computing time, but
It takes maybe 70,000 to 100,000 to produce that.
Or is this with me in our LA bureau?
This is serious breaking news, but a little
I don't know if
behind the
they're getting
scenes, a
what I'm
little,
trying
a
to
little
say.
flavor. I'm with one of the most legitimate correspondents on earth. Now, if you're
See,
interviewing
he's
me,
even
Jacob,
standing
you
next
face
to
it-
another
Hold
person.
on just a second. There's a big fire.
See, and doing actions. Oh, that's not Tom Cruise. We know Tom Cruise is an action guy, so he's doing all
You
those
are
things, even talking to his
Tom
friend.
Cruise. That's me.
Yes, in this case, they use somebody who looks almost
Miles
like him.
Fisher may have an
That's
uncanny
the guy
resemblance to the
that the
superstar,
first one
but
that you saw
using
sitting
advanced
there.
technology,
See, that's
what he's
exactly how they
created
do
is
it.
far more than
Now
an
they are now changing.
extraordinary
They are putting Tom
impersonation.
Cruise face on it.
Have you guys created the best deepfake that has ever been made?
I think we have created the first deepfake that's so
You see,
realistic.
he's even tight.
that
Now imagine
a large
how
majority of
easy it is.
people
He's
have
even
seen.
cooking and cleaning
Not only
dishes.
seen, but
now he's
fooled by, including at least
imagine.
one of the world's
See, that's not
biggest
Tom Cruise one
celebrities.
bit.
This is the one that Justin Bieber thought
That's
was
the guy
real?
who faked
Fisher says
Tom
looking and
Cruise.
sounding like the leading man made it difficult to chart his own path as an actor. So a year ago, he decided to lean into it, stumbling into a role with repercussions far beyond Hollywood.
As I
He's
find
cooking,
myself the
he's doing all
unofficial
kind of thing.
face
Do you
of
think
this deepfake movement,
it's gonna be
it's important to learn.
difficult to have
And
him,
I'm fascinated
you
by
know,
this. This is the bleeding edge of
pass
technology.
through
It
Abu
started when
Dhabi
Fisher
with a
contacted
bag
Belgian
full of
visual
weed?
effects wizard Chris Ume. They began creating viral videos
Do you
for
think
fun,
it's difficult
and they're
to have
only
two
getting
actors
better.
there acting like they're having sex and then put the face of someone in legs of someone?
Maximum 6 days.
Easy.
I could turn around something like
Goed, soos jy nou kan sien dat die AI is een van die metodes wat die vyand gaan gebruik. Nou, hoe gaan hy dit doen? Wel, kom ons sê daar's 'n prediker en hy het 1000 of hy 2000 lidmate in sy kerk. Nou, in plaas daarvan om al 2000 hierdie lidmate een vir een te probeer aanval, gaan hy die prediker aanval en sodoende gaan die mense begin moed verloor. So nou sien hulle hierdie prediker, hoe ook al hy hierdie video gaan maak, hy kan die prediker se gesig gebruik en hy kan teen God praat, hy kan sê, ag, al hierdie goed is nonsens, God bestaan nie, en hy kan, soos hy gesien het in die video, gehoor het ook, hy kan saam met 'n ander vrou in die bed gevang word, en intussen is dit nooit hierdie prediker nie. En so nou dink die mense wel, as ons prediker dit nie eers kan maak nie, hoe gaan ons dit maak? So onmiddellik is 2000 mense word, se geloof word in twyfel getrek. So die ding is hoekom ons as in Suid-Afrika, as mense na hierdie video kyk, gaan 80% van die mense dit onmiddellik glo. Vir die eenvoudige rede, omdat ons as 'n derde wêreldland so ver agter geraak het met die tegnologie, weet die mense nie hierdie goed nie. En dit is hoekom, dit is wat God het dit nie vir my gesê nie. God het verlede jaar vir my gesê dat predikers gaan aangeval word. Maar hierdie is dan nou deur 'n ander prediker wat hy gesê het hoe hy dit gaan doen. Of een van die metodes hoe hy dit gaan doen. So hierdie is regtig baie interessant. En wees wakker. Moenie alles glo wat jy sien nie. Versprei hierdie woord, laat mense sal weet, want dit is dinge wat op pad is. So ek hoop jy het hierdie videoetjie geniet en mag jy 'n geseënde dag hê.